In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone your navigation menu in HubSpot. Whether you're redesigning your webpage or simply looking to revamp your navigation without starting from scratch, cloning your menu can be a huge time saver. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring that you can replicate your current setup effortlessly. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot User Guide section. This area of HubSpot provides a wealth of resources, and it is your starting point for this tutorial. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of options available to you, but for our purpose today, you should focus on finding and selecting the option related to navigation menus. This will lead you to the right place to manage your menus. Next, once you're in the correct section, look for the option labeled Navigation Menus. Click on this to view your current menu setup. This step brings you to a dashboard where all your navigation menus are listed. Here you can manage existing menus or explore options to create new ones. Don't worry if it seems like a lot at first. We're only interested in cloning an existing one, so you won't have to navigate through creating one from scratch. Once you're in the navigation menu section, locate the menu that you wish to clone. There should be a number of options or settings available next to each menu, so take a moment to ensure you've got the right one. After confirming your choice, look for a button or a menu option labeled More. Click on this to reveal additional settings and options for the selected menu. Now, having clicked on More, you should see an option to clone the menu. Click this Clone button to begin duplicating your selected navigation menu. This action creates an exact copy of your menu, preserving all links and settings. Cloning allows for experimentation or modification without affecting the live version of your site, providing a safety net for any changes you plan to make. After clicking Clone, take a moment to review your newly created menu. You can rename it or make additional edits before deploying it live. It's always a good idea to review all settings before making the cloned menu active, ensuring it aligns with your website's design and functionality requirements. And there you have it. You've successfully cloned your navigation menu in HubSpot, streamlining your workflow and saving yourself a lot of unnecessary effort. Remember, this simple process allows you to keep your site organized while also giving you the flexibility to innovate and improve your site design. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making the most of your HubSpot experience.